Hello friends, hope you're well. In this video, I want to talk about how to apply and acquire license to operate a home healthcare business in the state of New Hampshire. In 2025, acquiring all this information on how to apply for a license has become so much easier and so much faster, all thanks to ChatGPT, artificial intelligence. So what used to take people days or even weeks to acquire all the information, looking on different websites, now takes a matter of minutes to acquire all this information thanks to ChatGPT. So let me jump into ChatGPT and I'll show you exactly how I was able to find all this information for New Hampshire. All I had to do was enter in a prompt up top here. And in this prompt, I'm asking for a step-by-step process as well as the associated costs. And check this out. It took 3 minutes and 26 seconds to acquire all this information. All of this. If you're in New Hampshire, there are no more excuses why you haven't started due to lack of information. As you can see, all this information is fast to get, easy, and free. That's the key word, free. I'm not going to go through everything, so I'm just going to focus only on the most important things that I believe you guys need to focus on. And again, I'll put the prompt that I'm using here in the description of this video so you can use the same prompt once you're in ChatGPT. Because I want you guys to be using ChatGPT, because if you still have any additional questions, you can ask ChatGPT and it will give you everything. As you can see, you have to pick the types of agencies. It looks like there are two types of agencies that you can have, the skilled and non-skilled. Next is the associated costs. As you can see, it costs $250. That's the annual fee you have to pay for that type of license. So make sure you go through all the details. The other thing I know when you have to submit an application, this is for all states. They want to give you the option to apply to enroll in Medicare so you can start billing Medicare. I'm not a fan of billing Medicare for the simple fact that Medicare is capping the payouts. So despite the inflation, cost of living can go up, but Medicare is going to pay you the same amount of money. It's very similar to how the minimum wage is set up. Minimum wage is now going up. Meanwhile, the cost of eggs is going up. The cost of bread is going up. So that's a big problem if you're relying on Medicare. My favorite is focusing on the private paying clients that are wealthy. Those people have money and get them to pay out of pocket, and that's the strategy that I prefer. So stick around to the end and you'll learn more about how to do just that. Medicare, apply at your own risk because you're going to get jammed up eventually once you start to see the numbers are not adding up. Next is what are called policy and procedures. As you can see right here where I'm highlighting, every time you submit an application for any state, including New Hampshire, you have to put together what are called policy and procedures. This is typically quite time consuming, and a lot of people get jammed up in this process. They get overwhelmed and they give up. But I don't want you to give up. I have good news for you. Here's the good news, New Hampshire. I've already created these home healthcare policy and procedure templates that you can download, fill out, and then submit to the state. These will save you so much time, guys. The time and effort that it takes you to figure out what policy to put all together, you can come and purchase these policies from me. Now, the other thing I've noticed is, once people purchase these policies, they have submitted the application, they get their license, then they get stuck. They don't know how to make the money. What's the point of getting a license if you don't know how to make money? This is why when you purchase my policies, you get automatically enrolled in my sales training program. I focus on where the money is, not Medicare and Medicaid, because Medicare and Medicaid is going to go broke. I focus on the millionaire clients that have all the money, guys. They require certain standards. So this sales training program is a sales script that I'll give you where I'll be pretending to be the wealthy client and you're going to be trying to sell me on the services that you have to offer. So that when you get into the real world out there, you're not nervous, you're not fumbling words, you're not confused about exactly how to articulate your value to these millionaire clients, so that you can command the rates that you deserve. You see right here, you learn how to convert clients into paying customers over the phone and in person. You'll learn how to negotiate the rates that you deserve, especially with the economy, the way it's looking, inflation and whatnot. You need to know how to ask for the money that you deserve. A lot of you guys are really good caregivers, but you just suck at negotiating salary. So these are multiple sessions that we'll have back and forth. Not only that, filling out forms is a headache. Every time I travel, especially when I travel to different countries, they still have these like forms you got to fill out. Who does that? Especially here in Africa, they do that all the time. Even like when you go to DMV, filling out forms suck. I hate it. Any kind of government forms, I hate it. And I know so do you. But thanks to AI, there are tools now. I went to this website right here called, there's an AI for that. And I just searched for form fill. It recommended an AI tool called InstaFill. And I think it's great. And I'll recommend you guys to consider using this for your policy and procedures. So when you purchase my policies, you download them, you can start using this AI tool here that allows for you to fill out PDF forms and documents. It's amazing. Before, I used to recommend people go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, find somebody, a virtual assistant, whatever, give them your forms, let them fill them out. And you have to pay them a fee, of course. But now because of AI, you don't have to do that. You're going to save time and money. Who doesn't want to save time and money? So I'm just going to play a couple of seconds of this video so you can kind of see exactly how it works. And I will put a link to this tool in the description of this video, as well as the templates that you'll purchase, so that everything is in one packet. So let's play a couple of seconds here.
Welcome to InstaFill, the leading AI form filler that completes PDFs in seconds, not hours. With InstaFill, you can fill out any PDF form in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Upload any PDF to InstaFill. Step 2. Provide the information needed to fill out this form. InstaFill uses the latest reasoning AI models to extract data from a wide range of sources: texts, documents, partially filled PDFs, CSV files, images, and scans. It easily handles even unstructured input and populates each field with speed and precision.
Isn't that amazing? I mean, we're not going to watch the whole thing. Technology has come this far. I'll put a link to that tool in the description, also in these templates that you can purchase. Again, once you purchase them, you're automatically enrolled into my training program. It's a mentorship program because I want you to get to the money as quickly as possible. Why are you submitting an application if you're not ready to make the money? So I'll show you how to make the money. So I hope you got some value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.